All right, Brian here, back at you. So if you want to if you want to edit your website yourself and do it all yourself, you can learn how to do it on my YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, look for Swan Marketing. It'll have the logo, Swan Marketing, and you can look for the video that says using Swan Marketing Website Builder. So it's actually the Go High Level Website Builder, but so I will leave the link in the description, and you can learn more. So your other option, if you don't want to do it yourself, you can also go to Fiverr. That's fiverr.com, and you can get this done for $10 up to $150. I'll play this little commercial for you, and you can decide for yourself. A lot of these guys can make some pretty. They can make some pretty compelling websites. So you just got to go in here. You're going to type. This is your search. Go high level website. That's going to be your search. You're going to search for a Go High Level website maker, and you just tell them, hey, ask them for their templates. All right. Some start at 40, some start at 50. Here's one at 10. So you're not doing a sales funnel. You're just doing a website for your trust. So here's one 20. $20 here. Come on. So here you go. This guy's willing to do it for $20. He says account setup, Twilio, domain, form, survey, and calendar. So that's just basic setup. If you want the standard, 75, he'll do a landing page, thank you, chat widget, and pipeline. Okay. And 150 does the whole thing. Anyways, you can shop around, you can do it yourself, or you can look on my YouTube channel and learn how to do it yourself. All right, good luck. Thank you.